Welcome. Today we're diving into a common question for modern finance teams. Which automation tool is better, Zapier or Power Automate? As finance departments increasingly rely on automation to streamline processes, choosing the right tool can make a significant difference in efficiency and accuracy. In this video, we'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms, focusing on their features, integrations, pricing, and suitability for finance teams. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of which solution aligns best with your team's needs. Let's get started by understanding what each tool offers at its core. Zapier is a popular automation platform designed to connect a wide range of web applications. It allows users to create automated workflows, known as zaps, that move data between apps without manual intervention. For finance teams, this means automating repetitive tasks like invoice processing, data entry, and report generation. Zapier's user-friendly interface and extensive app library make it accessible even for those without technical backgrounds. Its focus on simplicity and flexibility has made it a go-to choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking to boost productivity. Power Automate, developed by Microsoft, is an automation tool that integrates deeply with the Microsoft ecosystem. It enables users to create automated workflows, known as flows, across Microsoft 365 apps and many third-party services. For finance teams already using Microsoft products like Excel, Outlook, and SharePoint, Power Automate offers seamless integration and advanced automation capabilities. Its robust security features and enterprise-level scalability make it a strong contender for larger organizations or those with complex compliance requirements. Zapier's core features revolve around its ability to connect thousands of apps and automate multi-step workflows. Finance teams can use Zapier to automatically sync data between accounting software, CRMs, and spreadsheets. The platform supports conditional logic, scheduling, and data formatting, making it versatile for various finance tasks. Its intuitive drag-and-drop builder allows users to set up automations quickly, reducing the need for IT support. Zapier also offers built-in templates to help finance teams get started with common workflows. Power Automate stands out with its advanced workflow capabilities and tight integration with Microsoft services. Finance teams can automate approvals, notifications, and document management within the Microsoft 365 suite. The platform supports robotic process automation, RPA, allowing for automation of legacy systems and desktop tasks. With built-in AI capabilities, Power Automate can extract data from invoices and receipts, streamlining expense management. Its robust error handling and monitoring tools ensure reliability in critical finance processes. One of Zapier's biggest strengths is its extensive integration library, supporting over 5,000 apps. For finance teams, this means connecting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, Google Sheets, and Slack with ease. Zapier's integrations are straightforward to set up, and the platform frequently adds new apps based on user demand. This flexibility allows finance teams to build custom workflows that fit their unique processes, regardless of the software stack they use. Power Automate excels in integrating with Microsoft products, making it ideal for organizations already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. It connects seamlessly with Excel, SharePoint, Teams, and Dynamics 365. While its third-party app library is smaller than Zapier's, it covers most major finance and business tools. Power Automate's connectors are designed for enterprise use, offering advanced security and compliance features that are crucial for finance teams handling sensitive data. Zapier is known for its user-friendly interface, making it accessible to finance professionals without technical backgrounds. The platform's drag-and-drop workflow builder, clear documentation, and helpful support resources enable users to set up automations quickly. Zapier's dashboard provides a clear overview of active zaps, making it easy to monitor and manage workflows. This simplicity is a major advantage for smaller finance teams looking to automate without a steep learning curve. Power Automate offers a more complex interface, reflecting its advanced capabilities. While it may require a learning curve, especially for non-technical users, its integration with Microsoft 365 makes it familiar to those already using Microsoft products. The platform provides detailed workflow customization, advanced triggers, and robust monitoring tools. For finance teams with IT support or technical expertise, Power Automate's depth can unlock powerful automation possibilities. Zapier offers a range of pricing plans, including a free tier with basic features and paid plans that unlock advanced automations and higher usage limits. For finance teams, the free plan may be sufficient for simple workflows, but more complex needs will require a paid subscription. Zapier's pricing is transparent and scales with usage, making it accessible for small businesses and startups. However, costs can add up for teams with heavy automation needs. Power Automate's pricing is structured for enterprise use, with plans based on user licenses and flow runs. Many Microsoft 365 subscriptions include basic Power Automate features, which can be a cost-effective option for finance teams already using Microsoft products. Advanced features, such as robotic process automation and AI, require higher-tier plans. While Power Automate can be more expensive for standalone use, its value increases for organizations leveraging the full Microsoft suite. Security is a top concern for finance teams, and Zapier takes several measures to protect user data. The platform uses encryption for data in transit and at rest, and offers two-factor authentication for account security. However, as a cloud-based service, Zapier's security controls may not meet the strictest compliance requirements of large enterprises. For most small to medium-sized finance teams, Zapier's security is sufficient, but it's important to review your organization's specific needs. Power Automate is built with enterprise security in mind, leveraging Microsoft's robust security infrastructure. It offers advanced compliance certifications, granular access controls, and integration with Azure Active Directory. For finance teams handling sensitive financial data or operating in regulated industries, Power Automate provides the security and compliance features necessary to meet strict requirements. Its security model is a key advantage for larger organizations. Compliance is critical for finance teams, especially those subject to regulations like SOX, GDPR, or HIPAA. Power Automate's integration with Microsoft's compliance framework makes it easier to meet these requirements. Zapier, while secure, may lack some of the advanced compliance features needed by larger organizations. Finance teams should evaluate their regulatory landscape and choose a tool that aligns with their compliance obligations. Zapier offers a high degree of customization through its simple workflow builder and conditional logic. Finance teams can tailor automations to fit their unique processes, from syncing transactions to generating custom reports. While Zapier is designed for ease of use, it also supports advanced users with webhooks and custom code steps. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of finance automation scenarios. Power Automate provides advanced customization options, including integration with Power Apps and Azure Logic Apps. Finance teams can build complex workflows that span multiple systems, automate approvals, and trigger actions based on real-time data. The platform's support for custom connectors and APIs enables deep integration with proprietary finance systems. This level of customization is ideal for organizations with complex or evolving automation needs. Zapier is well-suited for small to medium-sized finance teams that need to automate routine tasks. Its pricing and feature set scale with usage, but it may face limitations as organizations grow and require more complex or high-volume automations. For teams just starting with automation, Zapier provides a low barrier to entry and the ability to scale up gradually as needs evolve. Power Automate is designed for enterprise scalability, supporting large teams and complex workflows. Its integration with Microsoft's cloud infrastructure ensures high availability and performance even for demanding finance operations. Organizations can automate processes across departments and geographies, making Power Automate a strong choice for growing or global finance teams. Zapier provides a wealth of support resources, including detailed documentation, tutorials, and a responsive help center. Finance teams can access community forums and reach out to support for troubleshooting. The platform's focus on user empowerment makes it easy to find answers and resolve issues quickly, which is especially valuable for teams without dedicated IT support. Power Automate benefits from Microsoft's extensive support ecosystem, including official documentation, training modules, and a large user community. Finance teams can leverage Microsoft's support channels for technical issues and access a wide range of learning resources. For organizations with Microsoft support contracts, dedicated assistance is available for complex automation projects. Finance teams use Zapier for a variety of automation scenarios, such as syncing transactions between accounting software and spreadsheets, automating invoice approvals, and sending payment reminders. Its flexibility and ease of use make it ideal for automating repetitive, time-consuming tasks. By reducing manual work, finance teams can focus on higher-value activities like analysis and strategy. Power Automate is commonly used by finance teams to automate complex approval workflows, manage document storage in SharePoint, and extract data from invoices using AI. Its ability to connect with on-premises systems and legacy applications makes it suitable for organizations with diverse IT environments. Finance teams can also use Power Automate to enforce compliance policies and streamline audit processes. Zapier is designed for ease of use, with a gentle learning curve that allows finance professionals to get started quickly. Its intuitive interface, helpful guides, and pre-built templates make it accessible even for those with limited technical experience. Most users can set up basic automations within minutes, making Zapier a great choice for teams looking to implement automation without extensive training. Power Automate offers powerful features, but comes with a steeper learning curve, especially for users new to automation or Microsoft's ecosystem. Finance teams may need to invest time in training and exploring documentation to unlock the platform's full potential. However, for teams already familiar with Microsoft 365, the transition can be smoother, and the advanced capabilities are well worth the effort. Zapier offers a mobile-friendly web interface, allowing finance professionals to monitor and manage workflows on the go. While it doesn't have a dedicated mobile app, its responsive design ensures that users can access key features from any device. This flexibility is useful for finance teams that need to stay connected and manage automations remotely. Power Automate provides a dedicated mobile app for iOS and Android, enabling finance teams to create, monitor, and manage workflows from their smartphones. The app supports push notifications, allowing users to approve requests and receive alerts in real time. This mobile capability is especially valuable for finance managers who need to stay responsive while away from their desks. Zapier provides basic reporting features, allowing finance teams to track workflow activity and troubleshoot errors. Users can view logs of Zap runs, identify failed tasks, and receive email notifications for critical issues. While Zapier's reporting is sufficient for most small teams, it may lack the depth required for detailed audit trails or advanced analytics. Power Automate offers advanced reporting and analytics through integration with Power BI and Microsoft 365. Finance teams can generate detailed reports on workflow performance, monitor compliance, and analyze process efficiency. The platform's robust logging and monitoring tools support audit requirements and provide valuable insights for continuous improvement. Zapier supports team collaboration by allowing multiple users to manage and edit workflows. Finance teams can share Zaps, assign roles, and control access to sensitive automations. While collaboration features are basic compared to enterprise platforms, they are sufficient for small teams looking to coordinate automation efforts. Power Automate is built for enterprise collaboration, supporting large teams and complex approval chains. Finance teams can co-author workflows, set granular permissions, and integrate with Microsoft Teams for real-time communication. These features enable seamless collaboration across departments and ensure that automation projects align with organizational goals. Zapier's strength lies in its vast library of third-party integrations, covering everything from accounting software to communication tools. Finance teams can connect their favorite apps and automate data flows between platforms with minimal effort. This flexibility is particularly valuable for organizations using a mix of cloud-based and SaaS tools. While Power Automate's third-party integration library is smaller than Zapier's, it covers most major finance and business applications. The platform's focus on enterprise connectors ensures secure and reliable data flows. Finance teams can integrate with popular tools like SAP, Salesforce, and ServiceNow, making Power Automate suitable for organizations with complex IT environments. Zapier excels at automating straightforward, repetitive tasks. Its workflow builder supports multi-step automations and conditional logic, but may struggle with highly complex or branching workflows. For most finance teams, Zapier's capabilities are more than sufficient, but organizations with advanced automation needs may encounter limitations. Power Automate is designed for complex automation scenarios, supporting advanced branching, parallel processing, and integration with AI services. Finance teams can build sophisticated workflows that handle exceptions, automate approvals, and interact with multiple systems. This complexity is ideal for organizations with diverse automation requirements and technical expertise. Zapier offers basic AI integrations through third-party apps, enabling finance teams to automate tasks like data extraction and sentiment analysis. However, its AI capabilities are limited compared to platforms with built-in machine learning features. For teams seeking advanced AI-driven automation, Zapier may require additional tools or integrations. Power Automate features built-in AI capabilities, such as form processing, document understanding, and predictive analytics. Finance teams can leverage these tools to automate data extraction from invoices, classify expenses, and forecast trends. The platform's integration with Azure AI services further expands its machine learning potential, making it a strong choice for data-driven finance teams. Zapier is primarily a cloud-based platform and does not natively support desktop automation. Finance teams looking to automate tasks on local machines or legacy systems may need to use additional tools or consider other platforms. For cloud-based workflows, however, Zapier remains a strong and reliable choice. Power Automate includes robotic process automation, RPA capabilities, allowing finance teams to automate desktop tasks and interact with legacy applications. This feature is particularly useful for organizations with on-premises systems or manual data entry processes. By bridging the gap between cloud and desktop, Power Automate offers a comprehensive automation solution. Zapier provides API access and developer tools for building custom integrations. Finance teams with technical expertise can create private apps, use webhooks, and extend Zapier's functionality to meet specific needs. While most users rely on pre-built integrations, the developer tools offer additional flexibility for advanced automation projects. Power Automate offers advanced developer tools, including custom connectors, API integration, and support for Azure Logic apps. Finance teams can build highly customized workflows, integrate with proprietary systems, and automate complex business processes. These capabilities make Power Automate a strong fit for organizations with in-house development resources. Zapier operates independently, focusing on integrating a wide range of third-party applications. Its vendor-neutral approach allows finance teams to connect tools from different providers without being locked into a single ecosystem. This flexibility is ideal for organizations with diverse software stacks or those seeking to avoid vendor lock-in. Power Automate is deeply integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem, offering seamless connections with Microsoft 365, Azure, and Dynamics 365. For finance teams already using Microsoft products, this integration streamlines workflows and enhances productivity. However, organizations heavily invested in non-Microsoft tools may find the ecosystem less flexible. When choosing between Zapier and Power Automate, finance teams should consider factors like existing software, automation complexity, security requirements, and budget. Zapier is ideal for teams seeking simplicity and broad app support, while Power Automate excels in enterprise environments with advanced needs and Microsoft integration. Assess your team's priorities to make the best choice. To summarize, Zapier offers ease of use, a vast integration library, and quick setup, making it perfect for small to medium finance teams. Power Automate provides advanced automation, enterprise security, and deep Microsoft integration, making it ideal for larger organizations or those with complex requirements. Both tools have their strengths. Choose the one that aligns with your finance team's goals and infrastructure. Ultimately, the best automation tool for your finance team depends on your unique needs, existing technology stack, and long-term goals. Both Zapier and Power Automate can drive efficiency and reduce manual work, but their strengths cater to different audiences. Take the time to evaluate your workflows, security requirements, and integration needs before making a decision. With the right tool, your finance team can unlock new levels of productivity and focus on strategic initiatives.